There's like this scary meeting of scary birds in my backyard right now. What does it mean? Oh my god, they won't stop. What does it mean? I'm only laughing because I'm so afraid. There they go. Oh god, please leave, please leave, please go somewhere else. Nope, nope, just went to a different tree. Okay, okay. You guys can't even really see this, and I don't want to embarrass that and it's raining. Oh my god, what does it mean? There's gonna be an earthquake or something. Oh god. Find shelter.